The riparian health assessment that cows and fish do, there's no judgment in it. It's a measurement of what's there.
Riparian health is basically a tool that we do measurements to determine how healthy ecologically is the site. So is it producing those functions like flood retention and water quality? We look at both vegetative parameters, so looking at the plant community, how many weeds are there? What does the woody plant community look like in terms of willows? Is there young willows to replace old ones over time? And then we also look at physical parameters, so trailing, trampling, those types of impacts that might also be leading to a source of sediment to the stream or erodibility of stream banks. Those two parameters get wrapped up into what we call a riparian health score, and they fit into one of three categories, either healthy, healthy with problems, or unhealthy.
Things change from year to year. Having an assessment, and then even better, having a revisit assessment 4 or 5 years later gives the farmer good information that they can use to make more management decisions on that particular part of their land. The ALUS program is providing funding for a service. So we need to be able to demonstrate that there actually is a measurable change when farmers and ranchers do this.
What we've seen on these Red Deer County sites, since we've been monitoring them, the sites that start out healthy, when we come back 4 or 5 years later, they usually have stayed healthy. We've seen a lot of the sites that may have started unhealthy have jumped up to healthy with problems or even to healthy category. So we've seen improvements in riparian health in those cases. And the other really neat thing that I found interesting was that both sites that were grazed and sites that were rested completely from livestock use saw improvements in health, which I think is a really positive message.
We've had cows and fish come and do now 2 assessments 5 years apart, and the number of species really hasn't changed, but the density has changed a lot.
Producers are acting as stewards for the land and trying to do the best that they can to maintain all the ecological benefits that we see that these areas provide.